Okay, I know I sound like a total repetitive person, but I want you guys to really understand this for a second. The reason why I'm always talking about how to love yourself and why I always focus on that is because, and I know we've heard this all the time, but I want you to really get what this actually means. And it's not just the phrase that you hear often. The reason why it's so important that you love yourself is because no one else is going to love you unless you learn how to do it for yourself first. Okay, what does that mean? What that means is if you don't love yourself, that means that you can't take care of yourself emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually. It means that you're looking for outside people to fill you up. When you are in that space, you are always going to be let down and disappointed because no one can be you and no one can give you the things that you need because no one's inside of your head and no one's inside of you to know what it is that you need in that moment in time. Another reason why it's so important is because if you don't know how to take care of you, then no one else is going to. You're going to go out there and start dating, and you're going to always attract emotionally unavailable people, people that are toxic, people that are unhealthy, people that are narcissistic, because you have nothing to base what you're looking for. So if I know how to take care of myself, if I feel like I'm healthy, if I feel like I can take care of myself emotionally, mentally, I'm in a good space, I have standards, I have self-worth, I've worked on all that kind of stuff. When I go out there and I'm looking for friends, a romantic partner, a job, anything, my standards are going to be extremely high because what you attract and what you allow into your life is where you're at. So if I'm here because I've worked on myself and I'm in such a good space, then I expect other people to be here. And if you're not here, that's totally cool. Namaste, peace be with you. But you are not allowed into my inner circle because I'm only allowing people into my inner circle that are at my level, that have my standards, that respect me. And I'm going to teach you what that means. I'm going to show you what that means. So that's why it's so, so important to learn how to really love yourself, because if you don't, you're down here rather than being up here. And if you're up here, you're always going to attract people that are here with you.